Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2017 through 2022 and likely beyond Mercedes Benz E-Class Wagon with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2, available in black or silver, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these rubber molded base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets, and then 4 fasteners. Now these individual parts have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement on each of the feet. So I'll demonstrate with one of the Evo Flush Rail feet here. First, I'll remove this outer cover. And with that cover removed, you can see here we have a threaded post. Now these individual parts of the fit kit not only have numbers, but they also have letters that are associated to them, which will guide us in the correct order of installation. So here we have the letter A, and the letter A would be the first one that we install. So that just sets down within the foot there. And then letter B is the base pad, and the base pad, we just press that to the underside. And then C is the outer portion of the bracket, and that just attaches to the inner portion and kind of hinges down there. And then we have the threaded post, and we'll just thread that into place to hold those parts onto the foot. Okay, so the next step would be to put the foot onto the load bar. And here we have the Thule WingBar Evo Load Bar. And this one we've actually cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top here. That track is accessed by opening the end cap, and certain accessories and carriers can be installed directly into that track, giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Now to install the foot, let's go ahead and take off that end cap. Now here on the underside of the bar, you can see we have a slot here. Within the slot, we have a measuring device that has numbers. Now these numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help in centering the load bars onto the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and slide this foot onto the bar. And at this point, we'd want to install that end cap back into place. That way, when you're maneuvering this around the vehicle, the foot doesn't slide off the end of the bar. Okay, next you'll notice that you have some exposed track here, and we do want to fill that in with the rubber that's provided with the load bars to help maintain the good aerodynamic performance of the load bar, keeping airflow smooth underneath that bar. Okay, and then when you take this to the vehicle and you set this onto the side rail and begin tightening, generally you tighten 50% on one side and then 50% on the other side using the tool that's included here with the foot pack. Now this tool has a unique handle that once you get fully tightened, it will click, indicating that you've reached the correct torque rating specified by the Thule engineers. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get that all the way on with a click. That way you hear that click sound. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put the cover back into place with a snap. Okay, and then here to hold that cover in place, there's a plug, a plastic plug that's provided, and that'll hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with an actual Thule one-key system metal lock cylinder. And that lock cylinder will take the place of that plug and give you an effective theft deterrent for the roof rack. These are sold in matched sets, so a set of 4 would lock all 4 of your feet and give you an effective theft deterrent for your roof rack. However, you can purchase more of these lock cylinders in matched sets in order to lock your accessories as well, so that you have the convenience of one key locking and unlocking for all your Thule one-key system. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2017 through 2022 and likely beyond Mercedes Benz E-Class wagon with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Also, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. And thanks for watching.